TV when you go so share we for Agoro from Juma dey go so e dey bro no Mr. Peter Hammond Uncle P na do na federal joining discussion no your normalization committee. This is a committee FIFA and CAF in consultation with the government of Ghana and they a 4-member normalization team led by Dr. Kofi Amwa. He is the president of the normalization team or the normalization committee. FIFA Anka chairman or say president. Number 2, Madame Lucy Quist, former CEO of Airtel Ghana, on a vice president. And you Miss Na Odofole Naughty. Miss Na Odofole Naughty. Or ye member na oye no of the Attorney General's Department. And ye lawyer Dua Adontin. Wow, what follow football biano. Or ye former board member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tinipa mienu ena womo committee iswa. Womo ye football for ende no womo ehwe se bibia so ebeko ye. Now, so the announcement has been done. Normalization committee no say with immediate effect. Now, normalization committee we can no. According to FIFA no, womu ena replace the executive committee of the Ghana Football Association. It is currently say amu replace the executive committee of the Ghana Football Association. Nege say adwuma bia Ghana Football Association no normalization committee no mandate no cover so womo ebeye de pepepe. Now in the course of the discussion no yebeba ni abehwe the mandate of the executive committee of the Ghana Football Association and then see very clearly how our normalization committee no omadwuma no cover. But before then no Mame Enji need a adwene ewo the membership of the normalization committee led by Dr. Kofi Amwa.
Moshoso em say enyina enim adwuma Dr. Kofi Amwa ebeye o football most especially can do it me kaipa no ye feel say is it the Lison? No,
Can 2008 on a local organizing committee chairman.
Very good.
Apart from saying now, local organizing committee chairman of the Can 2008, you know.
Yes.
On one so President Kufuor ba abaimu in 2001, no.
Yes.
That time, no. Na abai appointed the part onto the executive
committee
and management board of the Ghana Football Association.
Yes.
Or no, any abedi peli, ena abai appointed one. At that time. He was a management member of the Ghana Football Association.
With all this thing, we say on shada new in our system. On that new. Or nimdieno on him what it takes to lead Ghana football. We are Madam Lucy Chris na mentioned that in the year.
Oh no, now or a CEO of Airtel Ghana. Or ye make us say or a corporate person.
Good.
Just say. During her time as the time now or no Airtel as CEO no company no winning a lot of awards.
It just say one kasa no in their own ways no manage so many institutions. I think say FIFA test womu na who say no these are the people who bet to me aboa normalize football no in this country. I don't have any against them there. But what I was saying is, one, they are 4-member committee. I don't know, say, the people I can want. And
almost say the rest of the members no, will be announced in due course in consultation with the government of Ghana. What it means is that you have a account. Another one, they say, FIFA credit me AUBF free.
Yes. And let's just say, do no. Personally, I don't see say FIFA everywhere Jumano Musosho. Jumano anyway because obey you be a film, obey me you be a film, obey me so you be a canwa. Let's just say, a Jumano Sanka, a buyer no say, okay, we are giving you a 7-member committee. These are the people who are going to work On mandate no mo say near. Then we say we 7. Then we say way because since you do much say no you say almost like my say no. Anameboa.
The announcement now na me ho with immediate effect.
Let's say what man no masha say. It you almost hear adwuma no. Na the foforo be shame no so say no. E bia de mo sha say me problem wo ho what happens? What you say because you sha say together. So nipa no so oba no so wa adwin bia nka betumi dey aboa right from the beginning. Masha say ko do baby. No so the ideas for about how then do you reconcile on the ideas with the Masha say more dey more no it I don't see it's a complete job.
Okay.
And FIFA lawyer don't think yes for follow Asante Kotoko he has been a board member before on him mramu on DM but upon all this no me who real football person
okay
on the committee.
You did of course you real but quickly the moment taking you through the terms of reference, the mandate of the FIFA/CAF normalization team. Dr. Kofi Amwa Edano no. But even before then, no, yenko tie ora Luca David Nicola, or head of governance of FIFA. After the announcement, my few explanations. Now let's listen.
The mandate will include the following 3 main tasks: to run the GFA's daily affairs, meaning that the normalization committee will act in place of the GFA executive committee with the same rights and obligations. So the normalization committee will have a supervisory and strategic role to play. Secondly, to review the GFA statutes to ensure compliance with the requirements of FIFA and to ensure that the necessary reforms are being implemented. And thirdly, once the GFA statutes meet the requirements of FIFA, to organize and conduct elections of a new GFA executive committee, obviously based on the new revised GFA statutes. The normalization committee will also act as an electoral committee whose decisions are final and binding, and none of its members will be eligible for any of the open positions in the elections under any circumstances. The specified period of time during which the normalization committee shall perform its functions will expire once all of the above mentioned tasks, the 3 tasks, have been properly fulfilled, but by no later than 31st of March 2019. That's the time frame that was set by the Bureau of the FIFA Council in its decision on 26th of August 2018. The Normalization Committee will obviously be in close contact with FIFA and CAF, but that contact will be on a very regular basis. But formally, the Normalization Committee will have to submit monthly update reports to FIFA and CAF for our consideration. Lastly, and that was also part of FIFA's decision to establish a normalization committee, a forensic audit of the GFA's accounts will be carried out as soon as possible.
Okay, and we Luca David Nicola, head of governance of FIFA, and this thing I'm for a bisa Madame Lucy Quest say let me just make this one say adeɛ baako a key FIFA at the moment corporate governance. I'm talking about governance. It is not just about say everybody or park or so, but the structure of the federations more juma as a corporate entity a key, and that is the reason why FIFA head of governance headquarters and here the structural defects are now what your system maybe it is the reason why you had and as video now quickly or say one to run the like Mr. Nicola to run the Ghana Football Association's daily activities and act in place of the executive committee with the same rights and obligations. And to be this normalization committee can do, review the statutes, ensure compliance requirement with the FIFA and ensure necessary reform is being implemented. Having met the compliance requirement of FIFA, the committee will be eligible to organize and conduct elections of the new Ghana Football Association. And then in addition, They will act as an electoral committee whose decisions are final and binding. The committee would also submit monthly report to CAF and FIFA, and then the committee will conduct a forensic audit to forensic audit of the Ghana Football Association's account and present a monthly report to CAF and FIFA. Uncle P, baby, I be through now opportunity number say Ghana, yebe pra na Agoro afa ntuma pafra committee adwuma dey show monsa ohun dey say.
Oh, so coming Kotenza, Nchamuhunde, or Eduma was actually one Sunday, or Eduma Sebiota Fletcher, or Hunimzi, and Sana was a best one, sir. One fan shall one son, son of Worukosia. Wo Hunimzi, Ibinum Abemda, Ibinum soon one and Yuma na wayen is like sport. In see, Bibit Besse or woman.
Madame, this is a question.
Why nzema bebre ya ochede obotuma aye adwuman because mmesafo bi wo ha adom anyameza amhonen se hona adom no pay a oye hu sinema benyin reye because se benyin reye aza be say to convincing ba be say no mesida na convincing se be say na nkesa owo nyamesuro owo do zema Ghana man ni iwiase afana nyina de obobo ma sport waye intum convincing ehun nti me wo jezi de bibiara wo beye wo mani mu biara ne se manyufo ye enuma mesiafo wo beye anana na ibasa wozi boma nkunyimizi baba.
Okay. Enti because adwuma no said on say na making kan omo mandate any name e so mo ye. Number 1, omo se omo number run football association no. Day to day, debia. The executive committee na question entachi edano ni hobio. Say we mu na ekwakoye say adwuma no. Dr. Kofi Amuamu na omekoye say adwuma no. Wo mu wi a football mra no. Ye so mo san komu bio. Na mo hwe say football mra no subscribe na say timi ye. Wo mu wi a mo hwe ne nto aba. Ewo football association ho.
Enyo it's a krumpam apado as we yin nkokol. Na mom wasi kokomotil kwasa kokomotil wonkusa no hu nsipo.
Okay.
Sa enzaman wobaye ma we wiewia pa na wakwe ya honumi na oda wafa wan.
Okay.
Honumi na gobotum wazi moye waza ama hwan. Honumi a waya kronkron munka binum a sebi otafracha waya stomach direction masramaka. Honumi a wotum kan kwaran. Wona wotum wokwa park. Wotum wotite nsam. One obotum wasn't some and was our come the mempen fear half away. No, that the mempen free so what to me say. More weighty, no what jib to or today is swabia. Is swabia a bopoto, not a son do, more yen, no, afa more yen nay. Ewa, as if you won't pay buffer feed on yet, but it's chilling no by for some. Insist a when say one me there. Ewa, when in Juman on codo on your part. O say na hwanen wo formation enwa ibi botuma kan saman ball no munsam za akira won wona wonyi mo okodo nti masan won dem panyimfu na wa afa wonen wo ba makwan wo bogbo enwa abo ma ibiara botum zema onyi mo ball mun oze baba ba support won ma adwuma no wetum wewie o say na wa afa won na wa afa won bibia anyo oda wasesa won biem wa afa won na wa afa won atwetwa ba no nwanyi bibia botom nti waafo hon a won fo hon na mom yammo hon wo ma yankwan ma yammo hon ye bo won na Ghana sport na obegina yi.
Okay, now ye bo won Ghana sport no begina need akon me say blaster so quickly na afi ye hwe city ho but this process normalization committee e ba ye no so mo we in 6 months time minim football mran say the ho ne de but obi say make say nka ye mra no pa de nka woni bia hye ni ho ade ba ko mahu eye
say we enforce mra no
ye de mra no ye the disciplinary committee cases in fact one of the biggest problems are higher football disciplinary committee of the FA no and the juma eso ye asem sia kwa before say be di no hwe kotoko ne has obedewusu official match and then next official match yabo FA Cup yabo Elite Cup yabo league matches competitions wey na FA na dey buy you as you know, the status of all these competitions is now a problem. How are we sure, say, after normalization committee adwuma the system will be truly and indeed sanitized? Agoro make me for them.
Yeah, you see, it's all about consultations, and then said their uncle P. Kayano. I was saying, among 4 days, a bow.
Okay.
Oh, we say, we seek advice from other people. We need memorandum, we need football, no more, because said that okay. Some you follow other football in other countries, for instance. This should be a 24 hours now. Ruling about but it's about. You call your name. How many times issues fee appeals committee, disciplinary committee to cast, and how many times? For how long can we do this? Until the mechanism when it comes to our rules and regulations in this country, as far as football is concerned, it is already there. The most important thing is that make sure say
the behavior.
We should change it. Because most of the cases about Bontini verdicts about Bontini are call in favor of my friend. Oh, wait, madam, we mean football. Let's do it. Yes. And no, I kill your football system. And you said, citizens, I follow football. Yes, or no, I was saying, you're changing your mind.
Okay.
Dr. Kofi Annan and the team, no, they are not saints. They can bring all these rules and regulations. They can make sure these laws are worked. But say, wow, when you're ready, say, what do you will be? I mean, and yet, see, I'm from Rana, and
okay, Uncle P, need that. As someone be said, need that. Say, yeah, we in a because I never come and say, as a brano, and yes, a brana, you want a bonnet, and as a brana, you want a ye. They will no crime because we didn't run by ye Juma, any idea, Edia, to the extent say, yet me, dear, some more Ghana had this very committee, and yes, my wino. Yeah, you said, you know, I deal with the NKE, but Palmer, at time again, the court of arbitration for sports, a bar no be a custodian, a crime soon after normalization way. You bet to me the Yankees football, Mrano. I Juma Perio Ebeba Yagunu.
Sebiota Freche, Sagana Sport. Say, Sisial Bemahena Yapel, Yamina Dum Ye Kodri. Say, yea, and there's Sabio, Masrama can, there, yea, and them Sabio. Nkano crew for way one azana. Crew ni bia the Canada, also me first. My wife second. Yes. My children third. Yeah, and nama on ye. Sport naland or ye soon a grizzly.
Okay.
Into Sanokola mama on ye. Into Maslawan. Say yama no quaran or ya bed 99% in pa. Ya buffer tampen ifra. Because I will with him ya kotoko meeting your heart. Yana yer try here pause. Na ye hunde kotokofo wayaze hearts wayaze draws wayaze vipers wayaze. Na so bande katashe eina azibobama osenzama o ma hia na ye bom pempo yezi metim ni na ndwuma nzimu enwa atisa wala akisa ye word nyakopan ama wadum bia itum eze dandan nzama manzama ye ntam enwa hwe bibi tira blaster ball e worgbe. How many chances? How many chances? Then cho den yan na yeshe yezin kunyim. Na wash hen one na yezaba na binim enjoy. Make an cho blaster team on ye NDC. No on ye NPP. No on ye CPP. Wape NDC wanting one team, NPP wanting one team. No one register one farmer can. No one supporters now. Wulu to noon na one ya dam na one ya daman. One fan 10 one team nature. No one ya blaster. Kwesa pure bread or ya binaba. What is stubborn? You can't do anything good thing. Over to why prior so as one cray. What to wabo was a goal aba. But kwesa pure or what is stubborn? Both spiritual and physical. Why?
Uncle P, what the blasters number? Yeah, trust war, but so what is the problem again? Because you call Kenya and no be any so Kenya dear. Kenya won't share Ghana though. That was the first time Kenya share Ghana.
How many chances? How many chances? Me peda me show ball. Mizi ball 18 1977, 78. Na mizi ball 18. He me kadraso do me ye kro Kumasi. Teacher Oche, former St. Augustine, no a master says, Okasha Chrome, more crumbs was the good do, on a more do. And one man peda me catch on there. You know how many chances? Say elbow ball.
You know as many as about 13 or 14.
14. Yen 2 man circle. Say elbow ball. 18 the elbow ball. Na first half na inya kwana 4 na ntuma ansha kura o de ehweye wo botuma asho more than 3 goals I'm telling you ewa yenya 14 chances yentuma ansha kurumpo Uncle Kwesa Piore yeden on pay ye so was so for on pay many ye onyima adwuma na obotuma ye but in zaman of penetrating is too much ewa mama on slow kasa on dinner pinty not offer no kwar sabi o mesramaka offer no kwar one or do for one wo ball no for one award there but first half award there but second half no ball ibo da Ghana zama bakoda man
go for you work it here kwasi apia na
papa
spiritually
ami mo hwa ball some so wo ball my wife no mo hwa ball na bibia na wa ba kan kiram ami mi shedem mentan hwa ball
o shedem na wo ye dey
se team na consult ma na mi shedem ma na mo mazamre ye nti mo mama wife hwa ball no o hwa ball na ebia wa aka kiram papa won kofi wo ye wa hye ho no na mehu mo dem ye
okay no papa ya is on
o dem mentan hwa ball but that match ya wo boy mo wife ka kiram na papa match no wala bo hwe wazi because mezama kuma blaster echira oba ha
Sana wife catch you.
Yes.
So what do I come and blaster each how?
No.
About how no?
About how no because Nijina you see more one.
Okay.
On there. Oh no, papa no. On Saturday, empty you crying to me and say. And one I'm catching Mr. Mama Nyabo coaching ne lack and call for Atenado.
Wow.
What Nado Kwesapi or Botum why dizin bebre but in Zamana or cannot know a competition. Ghana had areas or your competition.
Because you young piebo.
Papa.
Why so won't pay my teams?
Oh, mo won't pay.
Okay.
Mo won't pay, but I'm afraid the need there. Bibi to that blaster. What about secondly? What hear more goals in? Secondly, I am for. Nam paying for being a wobam. Ghana, Yanni Nigeria, wobble ball or Cape Coast on junior A.
Yeah.
And paying for being a wobam. Now, me Yamazaman, Murian and paying for now was Mamba Park. Was my park here do uncle for Miss Sunny? Into process from Paul was said him. And I must say, Miss Mudu Park a pella first go, Baba. Process from our band, what the same.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Mudu Park per watch across 5 minutes, Ghana, Bessie, Nigeria. But, sir, most in the war push. I mean, I don't like it. Woman, come and carry Mazin. Mudu Park and goes in the chassis. I'm telling you, this is Ghana. What kept coast? Mana mekacho enwa nti yenyina ye wo achaza ye botumi ye za abo anya de skene ye hwo
okay
mo Ghana blaster JC bia mo obi da kuma she bebre aba ha
okay
enwa minyazi yimehim but oye ye then ye bibia politics
no dey politics agabi wo infa what's already the friend say
Holy Table Spiritual Research and Healing Center
and so we person contact you about day
mo wachi moto here la ndemi fi abrochi ba mo wachi moto this time in town ko central mo wachi moto itwa car kwen pepepele ebe ADB Bank ADB and Access Bank there is on Thai Road you just pass through on Thai Road on your left St. Paul Anglican Church you just stand there and call me the number is 0244 601571 0244 601571 0244 60 1571
okay
Holy Table Spiritual Research one man and one because on your game my hand you know
one could be Farusi tab na so tiese eko na ye resi the city me ba jo dida ko ha na oba ye o say the taxi Dawu Matix Dawu Matix then Matix Dawu Matix white and yellow GW 916918 na akonfo agye free ne driver ni nsem ewo amomole enra enti wa ohu Dawu Matix bia ne white and yellow no e ba cho wetumi ayama no na bia tumi akọ e me dey kwadwo man sam so ye da se so hwe ye be say ahia bio bye bye